We are here at the world premiere for Wishful Thinking right here in the Zach Theater in Austin, Texas at South by Southwest. You guys, we're going to talk to some of the cast and producers, writer and director. We're so excited, so let's get talking to them. You are the writer, director of this. What was kind of piecing this one together and creating it like for you?
Well, I mean, Lewis is one of my producer stars, been my best friend for years. So I wrote it with him in mind. It's sort of around this idea of manifesting. And I think I was on like a late night YouTube rabbit hole and came across The Secret, the classic like Oprah self-help thing, and I was curious what that was, and it's all about this manifestation, which is a very popular idea, and I'm not knocking it, but talking about that your moods will affect the reality around you. I think as somebody who sort of has anxiety and has trouble sometimes controlling my moods. I was like, why is everyone saying that? That's like this really uplifting thing. That sounds kind of horrifying. That I could be in a bad mood and then cause like an airplane crash, or that the weather's somehow my fault because I was on the wrong. So I thought it was that struck me as funny that people talk about manifesting like it's this thing, but if you actually were manifesting, it would make life so anxious. So that was sort of the initial idea, and then I sort of thought about it through the lens of a relationship, and I realized that a couple who are twin flames who, if they're doing well, manifest the things they desire. It just sort of struck me as funny, and that it could be romantic, and it could be, and I kind of saw that it could be all the things that you want a movie to be. I called Lewis, pitched it to him, cinematographer Chris Ripley, composer Ollie Lewin, some of my best friends I work with, so I pitched them all really early, and they were all excited, and then it just sort of became the thing.
I love the concept, and it's so much more even layered than maybe I even thought of my, initial reaction, so I love this. Now, why is it so special for you to premiere this here at South by?
I mean, I just said my first short film with Lewis, with Lewis, Chris, and Ollie. 2016 was called Where You Are, and it premiered at South by, and that's how I got my start, how I got representation, and so South by sort of to me like launched my career, I guess, whatever. And even since then, game projects I've had. Another short film came to South by. I also work in video games, and they program both of my games. So South by's just always really supported me, and I love the festival. So it just felt like a natural fit. It's like I've been a South by guy for a while.
I love that. Well, Graham, thank you so much. We appreciate it. For more of our South by Southwest coverage, as well as all of our A-list content, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.